Hello rail fans, and welcome to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. This is a couple trains from a few weeks back when we made our trip up to the Virginia and West Virginia area. On our way back, we stopped in the town of Bluefield, which borders the West Virginia state line. And while in the West Virginia section, we pulled over and observed some train action in the yard at the Bluefield Norfolk Southern yard. A huge train yard, pretty much parallels the entire town on its north side. There's also the Pocahontas Division Norfolk Southern offices there, pretty large office building. So we found a pretty cool place to pull off the main highway right next to the, I guess it was east end of the yard. And a shout out to several different people that pulled off the side of the road and talked to us about trains and what we were doing, what they were doing, and their interest and their rail fanning adventures in the Bluefield area. A lot of friendly people. Honestly, out of all the places we've gone to rail fan, the most interaction we've had with local individuals who just stop by to chat about trains. So pretty cool, and a shout out to those people. Definitely enjoyed meeting all of you. In the video here, we're going to see two trains, both of them pretty interesting. The first one is Norfolk Southern 92G, which is a special designation given to an inspection train. So we're not exactly sure where it was originating from or going to, but in the consist, we're going to see Norfolk Southern 1187, which is an SD70 Ace. We're going to see CSX 5456 and ES44DC. And then we're going to see the Federal Railroad Administration's inspection car, DOTX 216. I've downloaded some info, a couple pretty interesting PDFs I found online about that DOTX 216. It's a former Amtrak Metrolina coach equipped with their measurement systems. They call it a high-speed research vehicle. Its primary objectives are to provide a test bed for the development and deployment of new technologies for track and vehicle-track interaction, assess the track condition and ride quality over the high-speed rail routes, assess relationships between ride quality and track conditions, and assess effectiveness of new high-speed track geometry standards, ride quality standards, and typical maintenance practices. The train is capable of making track measurements at speeds of up to 165 miles an hour. So I don't know if that means that they are trying to look to improve the route that the Amtrak Cardinal would take, potentially, or something like that, or maybe just doing generalized inspections with the unit. So pretty interesting to see that. The second train we're going to see, shout out to my son who was with me. We had stopped in town to grab a bite to eat, and when we left and pulled out of the restaurant, I didn't even pay attention, but he noticed up on the hill a heritage unit sitting in the yard. So as we rolled back and waited it out, we wound up seeing train 118, and that is a train that goes from Mormon Yard in Bellevue, Ohio, to Spencer Yard in Linwood, North Carolina. It's going to be led up by NS 4350, one of their AC 44 C6Ms, and then two DPUs. First one's NS 1093 and SD70 Ace. And then the NS 1070 SD70 Ace, which is the WABASH Heritage Unit. So always nice to knock out a Heritage Unit when we're out doing these things. So hope you guys enjoy the video. A couple really cool trains, great area, great scenery around the area. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll be back soon with a new one. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.